Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to change the battery in your Apple Airtag. So as you can see here, we have a package here of an Apple Airtag. Now if you guys are interested in this, we will leave links for you down in the description area. At the moment on Amazon, they have them on sale, on a discounted sale that is. They're regularly $29, but they have them on there now for $27. So if you're interested in them, be sure to hit the link below to get you a few. Now these come in very handy. You can use them to find different things like your keys, your luggage, your pet, say your backpack, any number of things. And so you can have more than one. And there's a lot of accessories to be able to hold the AirTag. So this is our AirTag here. This is a small little device with a shiny cover and a white back here. So what we want to do, like we said, we want to show you how to change the battery in your AirTag. So what you would do, the battery is behind this silver cover, and what you would do is you need to put your thumb on, say, the number 9 and the number 3, press down, and then turn the silver top counterclockwise that way. And so we're going to try to do it on camera real quick. It's a little hard to do it since this is so small. But anyway, like I said, put your thumb at 9 and 3, and then you press, and then you turn slightly. Let me go off camera real quick to get it. My fingers are kind of slipping on this. And so I just turned it. I got a better hold of it off camera. But anyway, once you turn it, like you see, you just barely turn it a little bit, and the top will pop off like so. And so when the top pops off, as you can look at it, this is the battery inside of the AirTag. And if you look at it closely, I believe the battery in it says 2032. And so that would be the size that you need to replace it. Actually, it says CR 2032. And this is a Duracell battery, but it doesn't matter. You can get any kind of battery, probably would fit this. But anyway, you get the battery will come out like so. We'll pop it out. The battery comes out like so, and the flat piece here is the positive side, and this is the negative side. So when you put it back in the AirTag, you need to put it in with the writing showing out, which this is the positive side. And then you take the cap, and as you can see, the cap has like those 3 little prongs on it. The 3 prongs, and so you line up the prongs to the areas here, here, and here at the bottom. And so you line up the prongs like so. You can see that going on top of it here, like so. And then you mash it down and then twist it back. And it's that easy. So it's back in there. As you can see, it's leveled all the way around, and the battery is back in there. And so we got it back in, and it's ready to go back into whatever type of holder we have for our AirTag. So that's it for our video for today. How to change the battery in your Apple AirTag. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button too. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.